This is Brittany with WTI, and let me explain to you why these digestive enzymes are exactly what your gut has been looking for. I was on the hunt for digestive enzymes that have a very specific blend in them, and this one has exactly what I was looking for. It has amylase, protease, lactase, lipase. So many of these were exactly what I was looking for, and in these specific dosages as well. It is a very high quality product. They are gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, non-GMO, and vegetarian. These really help to promote optimal nutrient absorption when you take them before your meals. It helps to break down protein, carbs, fat, fiber, all the different nutrients that you need. And this specific brand and specific enzymes are very high quality. They're only the best quality. And that's my point of view.